So one thing to note, these nice HVS clamps, I'm taking them off and I'm turning them around. I had them on the right side near the air box when I installed the HVS charge pipes, and when I'm taking the air box out, I noticed that it is rubbing, and I've got to make sure that doesn't happen on the PRL. Matter of fact, I got to make sure the PRL will fit in with this in the way, but I'm moving these over to the other side. I just installed them on this side because it was easier to get to when I installed it. Next, I'm going to unclip these two from this harness. Unclip these two and take that bolt out, because that's what's going to attach the lower snorkel. So it's hard to film this because I don't have two hands to hold the camera and do this. This one, that clip pulled out for the thing to release up. This one, unclip this by pressing in this tab, pull that out. And then this is slid in here. You've got to actually pull that up and slide it out, and it comes out. So pull that up and slide it out. So just testing fitment because I had to move those hose clamps, but yeah. With them moved, this fits good. Here are the different silicone hoses. This one here and this one here are the hoses that come with the titanium inlet. This one here and this one here are the two hoses that come with the conversion kit, and this one here and this one here are the two hoses that come with the HVI. So if you bought the HVI, they're almost identical, at least on the air inlet. The three differences you can see: this is the titanium one that came with the titanium inlet, this is the conversion kit, and this is the one that came stock with the HVI. So those are the three differences. So you talk about 15 millimeters between these two. This one's a different angle, and the inlet is a little bit offset, and this one's about, it's about the same, but it's a different angle. So those are the differences between the three different types of inlets if you already had the titanium inlet. And probably could make this work if you didn't buy the conversion kit. It's only about 15 millimeters difference right there. Basically, I use two screwdrivers, put one in there in the little tab, use the other one to gently pull up while I had the other screwdriver, the small one, gently press down the tab. None of the clips broken, and it's all loose. Now we can take this wire out. Now we can put the sleeve, it's supposed to come with it, over it. According to PRL's documentation, the notch, which you can see there's a notch on this one, and this is the coupler that comes with the HVI. There is a notch right there. That notch lines up with the stock intake right there on top, which goes that way. The conversion kit one did not come with a notch, but I'm going by the way that these are labeled. Since this was labeled on the inside, this one's labeled on the inside, I'm gonna go that way, put the 80 on this side, and hook it up. Hose helps, and then this one's going to be the 70-90, 80-90, 70-90, 70-90, 80-90. Excuse me, 80-100, 70-90, 70-90, 80-100. And the other one goes on the intake box first. So we'll just slide that 80 over it. Go ahead and slide this 70. Oh, just gonna put them both over this. Now I've got to line up the bottom. Make sure it's in. All right. All the hoses seem nice and snug.